I love the 5 a.m. parking lot lighting.
Good morning, crusty crew. We are going to the beach for the day. I oftentimes forget that we only live like 2 hours from the shore. So we decided that we're going to go do a day trip at Rehoboth Beach today. It's only a 2 hour and 30-minute drive. Actually, it's less than that, but we're going to make a couple of stops, obviously, for gas and a coffee. But join us for this little... She likes doing that. Today. May I do a grande brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso, please? You want your macchiato?
Give me a white chocolate.
And then may I do an ice? Yes. I'm sorry. Did you want a latte?
Yeah.
May I do a grande iced white chocolate mocha latte with almond milk, please? Daniel, do you want anything?
I'm good.
Nope, that's everything.
All right, you're all set to go.
Thank you.
Of course. Thank you, sir. How much was it?
20 total.
Oh wow, it was only $10 a chair.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh.
I thought for sure it was 25. Where? What's in there? Did you see them? There's no way. Go out.
I know what piece I want.
Alright, you can grab it.
Not this one.
Daniel, grab a piece.
Oh god damn it. I can't.
Oh my god, tutu! Oh my god, that's the cutest thing I've ever seen.
I'm a true believer that the drinks taste better when they come in a cup like this.
They look pretty.
Yeah. I see you having glassware like that, you know?
Thank you. I would love to have glassware in my house like this.
Like all your guys. Grab you guys something to eat.
This looks fabulous. This looks fabulous, everyone here. What did you get? A salmon Caesar?
Yeah.
Daniel, what did you get?
Short rib taco.
Short rib taco. And I got coconut shrimp tacos with a mango marg. And our camera taking photos. To your left, honey.
To the left, everything you own.
Yes, to the left. It does.
Why?
I don't know, honey.
I think it's okay just because I know what I'm doing.
Yeah. I'm getting sour straws and my chocolate bark.
Did you guys
and
like the candy box?
I do like the blocks.
They're hard. No, they're just, what are they like?
They're
hard.
They're hard candy, but they're like chewables. It's almost like a Tums.
Eating your Legos. Is this what you're getting?
No, I'm getting the mock sour one.
I mean, you can get the blue ones, but I was gonna get the rainbows.
Well, I'm getting
I don't know, actually. $7.99. They're cheaper over at Siner's
$5.40.
Candy. Snyder's candy is cheaper.
Probably for 40.
I love red. I think I might just get my chocolate bark here and then go over to Snyder's and get the sour straws.
Alright.
Cute. I like him. Ooh, peekaboo. Are you gonna get anything here? Yeah, there's a lot in there.
How do you get a radish?
What the hell am I gonna do with those?
£2, get one for what's their expense?
I spend $30 on it.
I ain't doing that.
I mean, I'll split it with you. If we can get your parents some. Oh, they're on a diet. We're gonna say we can get your parents some fudge.
My ice cream.
Ice cream?
I just want lace.
All right. Well, let me get mine.
What's a 4-pound? Like one?
It's enough that it's good.
Should we do? We'll do a
Yeah,
4-pound?
just get a fourth of a pound. I'm gonna go look at my chocolate.
What brand do you want a specific flavor?
Julian, Charlotte?
Just get either peanut butter or chocolate, or like a half peanut butter, half chocolate. Yeah, do the half and half. You can't go wrong with the half and half.
What are you guys getting?
I'm getting the green mint bark. I also love their truffles here. I don't like mint stuff other than that, for
Can I
whatever
have
reason.
one little bite of the corner?
Yes. I'm gonna get 1/4 of a pound.
I'm not into stuffed animals, but those little shits,
Yeah.
those little shits get me.
Oh yeah.
Like the hammerhead?
You like the snake?
The hammerhead? That's yours. That's your
Oh, I
sequel.
see it. Yes. Okay. Let me order this.
With my...
Yeah. Let me have some.
No, you know what?
It's not like overpowering. It's good. Do you want to try some of them?
I get you can bite off them.
Yeah.
Is it mint?
Yeah, but it's not
good.
over. It's good.
Danny, I'm the biggest. I go and protest for mint chocolate stuff, and that's actually good.
Are good?
Yeah.
Because I hate the shit that it tastes like,
Like toothpaste.
and that's
Yeah, no, I know. Ooh.
One piece?
No, I'm okay right now.
Try peanut butter.
Dude, were you guys in the jawbreakers as kids?
Yeah.
We used to put it in a bag. We used to put it in a bag and throw it as far as we can at the ground, and then it would break apart.
Oh my god.
And you can eat it in little pieces because it was so hard.
It was hard to get through.
Your tongue would get raw.
That was cool. I was gonna push it.
Being on his arm. I remember telling Riley, and she's like, Ben would get his own name.
That's hilarious. See, only $3.50 here. Where over there, it was $7.
It's crazy.
I'm all for a bargain now. Ever since they almost tried to jip me back there at South Moon Under.
I bought 2 tank tops for like almost the same amount.
No, I
as
know.
the one you got.
Very pleased. Ooh, sorry.
Can I just have a small container of kettle
Thank you. We wait over here.
I'm excited. That's been dripped on your wrist. Yeah, these are the fits from last year.
Oh, yeah, it's fun with me.
Come on.
That was fun. Do you have my bag?
Yes, I have it locked onto mine. You can open it up. Oh, it's superior.
It helps me stay on budget. Anytime I'm
Cash isn't real money.
Cash isn't real, yeah. You're not spending any money when you have cash.
Your trading status for what you're
Yeah.
Oh, we should do the horse game. It's only $2. I thought it was more.
Horse game.
This is my favorite boardwalk game.
It's been a horse game.
Ooh. Wait, he gets a small prize. Woo! Way to go, honey. Oh, thank you so much. Bye, beach.
Bye, Rehoboth. Bye.
We're leaving.
Bye, Funland.
Bye, Funland. Didn't get to go on the Haunted Mansion.
Thank God.
Autumn doesn't like scary Haunted Mansion things.
And she knows it too.
They finally give up on my spot. Everybody wants my spot now that I'm leaving. Everyone's
All the votes.
a vulture. You got hot in there?
Yes.
Are you good? Need anything in there?
Nope, we should be good. Say bye, beach. How was your day?
Bye, Rehoboth.
Bye, Rehoboth. I'm closing your door again.
Thank you.